Hey, what is up everyone? This week I'm going to be doing a muffler delete and a resonator delete to the Focus ST. I didn't like the way it sounded, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that. It sounded so quiet. You guys heard from my last video the 5 things I dislike about the car, and the number one thing was it was just way too quiet. So we're gonna go ahead. I went to a muffler shop just around here. You know, we're gonna listen to how it sounds. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this. Alright, so today is another day. So we did the muffler delete and the resonator delete. And honestly, I like how it sounds. It's actually it's pretty loud. The resonance that it has, it doesn't really drone as bad as I thought it would. That was my huge main concern. But if you're like, maybe if you're tuned or you know, you don't use your cruise control and you're on your foot, it may get a little bit noisy, but it's not that bad. Cold starts, here's one. It's pretty loud. I thought, to me, I was like, oh, okay, it sounds decent. I was like, it's not too loud, but apparently inside the house people heard it. For me, it actually kind of interests me to see how a performance exhaust that's actually made for this car will sound, and also how it will perform. For me right now, I probably don't feel a difference. I would have to definitely tune it or even dyno it to find out. But yeah, if you're in for it for more of the little crackle and pops for it, it will do it in from 2,000 RPM, 3,000 RPM revs, but it won't really do it on every shift. That could depend on what gas you're putting in. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions on, you know, where I got mine from, or if you guys have any questions on the exhaust, please put that comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.